Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How are we doing? I hope you're all doing good. Welcome back again to another video. So as you can see in today's video, anyway, thank you to all my subscribers. Thank you to my returning subscribers and to my new subscribers. Thank you so much. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how I style my hair quickly, guys. I just loosed my hair, so I've decided not to comb it. That's okay. Let me just flex the coils a little bit today. So yes, I'll show you how I styled my hair in 2 minutes preparing for work this morning. I did it from home. First of all, I made sure I had a lot of water, a little water on my hair, not a lot. I poured water on my hair to make it a bit moist. I didn't comb, but I used my fingers to be able to draw out my to draw out the necessary. So I've separated the one I want to be in the front. Yes, I didn't really do anything too neat over there. Just a quick one, a very fast styling. Then I have my ribbon with me. I put it together. I try not to make it so painful when pulling the hair because it's still tangled after making a hair, carrying it for a month. Yes, and I have that as well. I pack the back, put it together, and now yes, the front now is how I want it to be. I use water to make at least the volume come out a little bit, and my comb, yes, so I'll pick my comb from my bag and then I'll just work on the hair quickly. Nothing too much. So guys, if you really want a healthy hair, please learn to use water for your hair a lot. Don't leave your hair unprotected. I mean, always have protective styles on your hair. If you are not ready to make your hair, please don't lose your hair and keep it down. It's very dangerous for a natural hair. I have a 4C hair, and man, I suffer a lot of breakages sometimes, but when my hair is moist, I enjoy the sweetness and the softness of my hair. So that is what we have here. Hope you like it. It's a quick one. Yeah, I hope you try it at home if you have a 4C hair. So thank you for watching and see you in the next video.